So if you've had a no crank, no start condition and you can't really determine what the problem is, there's no chafed wires underneath, you've looked, you've taken wires apart. In my case, there's been an obvious issue. This fuse box right here was not getting all of the power that it needed. Particularly those little fuse up in the fuses, red, blue, and blue. Those ones and others are not getting the power that they're supposed to have. Yet all the battery connections and whatnot look good. Well, then I decided that it's like something is not going from this fuse box right here into that loom, into the firewall, and into that box. And so I started checking it out, and this is what I determined. Look at this. Totally invisible from, when that is screwed and bolted up into the bottom of the fuse panel there. So completely, just looks like a normal loom from the underside, right? Looks like a normal one from the top side. But lo and behold. So check that. Maybe pull all three of them out. If one doesn't, if you find none on this one, pull the next one out.